guys, welcome back to my channel once again. If you are seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Barakat Amzat, and if you're not, thanks for sticking with me. I love you. So I said in this video I'm going to be talking about, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to create shareable content in this 2024. So if you are interested, then let us dive into the video. Once again, if you are seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Barakat Amzat, and if you're not, thanks for sticking with me. So I said I'll be talking about shareable content you can create in 2024. Yes, but another thing is, you know that creating shareable content is like you trying to plan, doing all sorts of things that will resonate with your audience, and then you'll be able to feel the connection with what you are saying and to what they are going to watch, and what they are watching and what you are going to say. So I feel like when you create shareable content, you need to take these things I'm going to mention, you need to take them in notes. You need to note them down, and then I think a lot of engagement is going to happen. So if you are interested, let us dive into the video. So the first one is going to be understanding your audience. Understand your target audience, understand people that you want them to watch your video, understand the kind of people you are targeting to watch your videos. Okay, if you are assuming that okay, this kind of content you are creating is for only content creators, then make sure everything you are doing, everything you are saying, things you are watching, things you are doing in the video is pertaining to those content creators that will need it. Like you need to do something that is pertaining to what the content creator need, not what other people need. Yes, other people can watch what you are saying because maybe they'll be able to resonate with it. But I think you need to have a target audience that okay, if you're talking about setting up, then one thing you are supposed to understand is that setting up is about content, it's about taking product pictures, making YouTube videos, Instagram reels, TikTok, things like that. So you need to target those kind of people. It's not like you are making content for only content creators and then someone that is doing mechanic is going to watch it or things like that. No, you need to make sure what you are doing is pertaining to the kind of audience you want them to watch, and then you're going to go. The second one is going to be compelling headlines. I feel like you need to craft a very compelling headlines that will draw your audience to what you want them to watch. So when you're talking about I want to create how to make a shareable content like this one I am doing, and then you're putting like this particular topic that it is how to make engaging videos, like you're just putting something that is not even going to attract them, it's not going to draw them into what you are saying, then I feel like you don't have a lot of engagement. So the best thing you can do is try very hard to add everything up. Make sure what you are saying is resonating with the topic you are going to put out. Your hashtags, everything is going to be pertaining to that part of what you want them to see. So if you are making any videos, make sure maybe you are doing how-to videos, you are doing entertainment videos, comedies, things like that. Make sure it is the part that is going to interest them, that is going to be the headline. So when they are going to watch the videos, they are going to come in and then they will enjoy what you are saying, because it is pertaining to what they saw, not what they are saying, and it is different from what they are saying in your videos. It is not making sense. Number 3 is going to be visual appealing. So see, it is important, like it is very important that what they are saying is attractive to them. So when you are saying, oh, I want to make YouTube content, and then your background is shabby, it is not cleaned up, you are looking tattered, things like that, it is not supposed to be like. So I feel like you need to clean up. Even if you don't have a fine background, you don't have all the lighting, you don't have all this, then open your window, open your blinds, and then just do what you have to do. Just make sure everything is clean. I feel like what they are seeing is supposed to be very clean. Your video is supposed to be clear and crispy. It's supposed to look good. It's what they want to watch. See, when your video is shabby, nobody will watch it. That's just it. Even if what you are saying is so interesting, if what you are saying is going to benefit them, but because they cannot understand, they cannot see your expression, even if they are saying it's not looking good, then. So I feel like make sure your visual is so appealing, it is nice. It's not because everything should be that good, but then make sure it is clear, it is clean and tidy. The fourth one is going to be emotional content. I do not say you should be crying inside video. That's not what I'm saying. But then what I am saying is that you want to talk to your audience, make sure you're connecting with them emotionally. So if your particular video is making sense, let your music be good, let your sound be nice, let your expression tell the story. So that's what I am saying. Make sure your expression is telling the story of what you want to portray. Is it that horror? Is it that smile? Is it that happiness? Is it that, just make sure your expression is showing what you want to say. So when you want to be serious, be serious. When you are vlogging, enjoy it. Like, make sure what you are doing, you are enjoying it. If not, I don't know, because I feel like it's the way you connect with your audience, that's what to draw them to you. So make sure your audience are connecting with you, and make sure you are emotionally engaging with them. Thank you. The fifth one is going to be storytelling. So I feel like you should make, like, if you are doing a particular thing, tell the story. So okay, you want to talk about this is what I do today, clinical, things like that. Okay, I had breakfast this morning. Plan it out, make it as a story. Let them understand what you are trying to tell them. Just make sure it is in a story form that when they are saying it, they are engaging it. When they are watching it, they are engaging it. Even they will be able to share your video, refer it to other people, because they really enjoy what they watch. So try to incorporate storytelling to anything you are doing, and because you want to share the content. That's just it. Number 6 is going to be, you should provide value to anything you are doing. Even see, let us remove in the aspect of content. Let us just put it in the sense of this world. If you are not creating value, if you're not giving people value, nobody will really take you serious. That's just it. So anything you are creating, make sure it is adding values to their life. Make sure it is going to help them in whatever they want to do. It is going to improve the perspective people see about them, or it is going to improve the kind of video they make. It's going to improve the kind of thing they do. It is going to improve the kind of person they are. So I feel like you should create value. You should introduce value. You should talk about things that is going to give them value. Make sure it is something that even if they add that opportunity to get what you are saying, they are going to remember that this person said something like this, and I feel like that is part of creating value. It is creating impact. So you are the best version of yourself, that's what it is. But then you need to like share your values to other people. Let them know that okay, this particular person is interested in saying things that they want to know. So I just feel like you should create value. So the seventh one is going to be user-generated content. So I feel like you should encourage your audience to share content related to your brand. Yes, I feel like they should share content that is related to your brand, because when you are talking about this kind of thing and they are sharing that kind of content, you'll be able to see more on your page, you'll be able to improve yourself, to give them more, you'll be able to do more things that they want, and be able to understand the kind of perspective you are trying to give them. So I feel like encourage them a lot to share content related to your brand, because it is always shareable and it's likeable. That's just it. Why it is going to be incorporate trends. I'm not saying when everybody is using iPhone, you should use iPhone, so that no. I'm saying you should incorporate trends because this can make your content relevant and authentic. It can make people watch what you are saying because it is currently trending. It is currently working for people. So I feel like you should also incorporate what you know is working for other people. It's not about stealing people's content, no, but it is about what you want and how you understand that okay, I'm going to get my content to this side. This is how important this is to my life. This is how important this is to my content, and then you're good to go. So I feel like you should incorporate trends to whatever you are doing. So number 9 is going to be ease of sharing. So it's important, like it is very important that you make your content available for people that want to share it. So all these people that you watch, maybe you cannot download it, I feel like it's not important. So make sure your content is shareable, because some people tend to like share things to other social media platforms and that is how you also grow. So make sure it is shareable for people that want to share it to other people that want to watch your content. I might see something that, oh, I just love the thumbnail, and then I'm not really interested in what the person is saying, but because I love the thumbnail, I'll share it to other person that I feel like they'll be interested in the content. So that's how it is. So make sure your content is shareable. Number 10 is going to be interactive content. So I feel like create a poll, create different kind of things, or create, maybe you are doing one, you want to do like a giveaway. You might not do a giveaway, but then you are interested in it, create Instagram poll, things like that, share things. Just make sure people are interacting with your content every time. Like, make sure people are always interested in what you want to say. Even if you think it is nonsense, continue trying to do it, because people want to see what more you have at hand, what more you want to share with them, what they love to see, what they want to see, things like that. So I feel like you should create a lot of interactive poll, create where people can interact with you, engage with your audience in the comment section, talk to them after videos. Yes, that's in the comment section. Always make sure you reply to messages, reply to your comment and things like that, then you're fine. Number 11 is going to be timely and relevant. So I feel like you should create content that are relevant, content that are timely, content that you know, okay, it is important, people need it right now and they're going to watch it. It is also important that more people are going to be interested in your video maybe in the next 4 years. It might not be because of the year you put at the back. Like now I'm creating a content about 2024 thing, I can always edit this thing to back to 2025. So that's how it is. Just make sure it is something that people can always interact with, people can always like watch. It is timely and relevant to them. So number 12 is going to be, it should be short and snappy. So anything you want to say, I feel like you can say it in the next, if you are saying something of 10 minutes, so why are you trying to long the matter to up to like 15, 30 minutes, things like that? So if you know what you are saying is just a short thing and it's going to bring impact, do it in a short form. If you know it is going to be a long thing, do it in a long form content. That's how it is just going to work. Just make sure it is short, relevant, or it is long and relevant. Don't say, because this content is short and I have a lot of things I want to do, so I need to make it long so people can give me watch hours of things. No. If it is going to be short, make it short. If it's going to be long, make it long. It's going to be incorporate quotes. So I feel like when you see that a quote is relevant and it is important and it is pertaining to what you want to talk about, you can always try to put it in your videos, and then maybe you should try and add the person that said it to it also, because it's going to be like a corporate claim. But then I feel like you should always incorporate quotes to what you want to say if you think it is relevant. It is not by force, but then I feel like if you think it is important, put it in it. Maybe it's going to bring your content to a more outstanding space. You understand what I'm saying? So make sure your content is always interesting. That's just. So number 14 is going to be cross promotion. I feel like you should connect with other brands, other YouTubers, other content creators. You guys should do a sit down video, chit chat, things like, just make sure you are connecting with brands, you are connecting with people, you are trying to be more friendly with your content, and also collaborate with influencers, because I feel like when you do things like that, you get more audience. People from the person's channel watch your videos, and people from your channel watch the person's videos. So it is like a win-win situation. But I feel like you should try to collaborate and do cross promotion with other brands, because it will help you get a wide range of audience. That's just it is. I feel like that's just the best if you can do it. But if you're not comfortable with other people sitting down with you and doing videos, things like that, then you can continue trying, because you always get to the point you want to be. The last one is going to be optimized for mobile. So I feel like any content you are creating, make sure it is also mobile worthy. If you are creating any content, make sure they can watch it on their mobile phone, make sure they can watch it on their laptop, make sure they can watch it on their TV, but make sure it is more important that they can watch it on their mobile phone, because a lot of people tend to consume their content. Yes, a lot of people tend to consume content maybe on the road, outside in their office and they're not ready to use a bigger screen. So make sure it is mobile worthy for other people to watch and for it to reach a wide audience. So I feel like the advice here is going to be, you should always check your analytics and always check your SEOs. Try to always research before you make videos. Research on what is going to work, and then always make sure you are following your analytics well. You are seeing what is working for your channel. You are seeing what other people are watching on your videos. You are seeing your competitors. You are seeing how you are growing. You are seeing where you are going down, where you are rising up, where people enjoy your content to where they don't enjoy at all, things like that. When to post, when not to post. Like, make sure you are doing all those things, and then your content is going to be good. So I've come to the end of this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share my content. I'll be so glad if I see a lot of engagement this month. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. But before that, make sure you stay fabulous and stay blessed. Bye guys.